Hey guys, what's up? In this tech tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can enable or disable cookies for websites you visit through the Arc web browser really quickly. So let us show you where to find that feature, guys. Open the Arc web browser and access its browser settings by clicking on that icon in the very top left corner. Choose settings from the drop-down menu. Next, choose your associated user profile and click on privacy and security here to access your browser settings. And here, guys, what you want to do on the left panel is switch from privacy and security here to site settings at the bottom. And here you will see the permissions as well as the third-party cookies under content here. So here you may simply select third-party cookies and decide whether you'd like to allow third-party cookies for websites you visit or block specific websites, website cookies in incognito mode, or block them entirely by selecting this option here. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.